Mosia Sibui is a step closer to getting justice after her daughter was brutally raped and murdered.
I've been ready ever since day one we've started. I'm ready for justice, hoping it will give strength to other people who are in the same situation like mine.
She can still remember when the body of 23-year-old Linda Matati was found at a Bronkhorstspruit mortuary and having to sit through the trial, watching the man who was found guilty persistently deny the crimes.
It was a very difficult situation, painful, a lot of pressure, a lot of disagreements in the family too. Even though we found bodies Linda a year later, I wouldn't say I feel better or good. The pain still remains. Against that pain, I will carry it the rest of my life. Right now, I'm just hoping for justice to take its place. That's all I'm hoping for.
Thabo Happy Mosia, who kept his face covered throughout the proceedings, wants the court to deviate from the prescribed minimum sentence. Although he has been found guilty of kidnapping, rape, murder, and defeating the ends of justice, he wants the court to consider the fact that he has children and that he has already spent 4 years behind bars.
The personal circumstances of the accused are exactly like any other person's personal circumstances. There is nothing extraordinary, so there are no substantial and compelling circumstances in his personal circumstances. The lengthy period in prison, I will be rehashing what we have already said, because the state, ever since this trial started, only asked one postponement. That postponement was for the reason of the new heads of the arguments that were submitted. The state was ever ready. All the postponements was due to accused.
Mosia is said to have led a lavish existence during the height of his criminal career, but the days of his wealth and luxury appeared to have come to an end when he had to ask for numerous postponements in order to sort out his legal representation. His lawyer had dropped him because he had not been paid.
The accused asked for some time in order to sell the property to raise funds, which he succeeded in doing. So I submit that it wasn't a frivolous postponement caused by the accused. He did have the ability to pay for his legal representation, and there was no further delays on his side.
Mosia was the last person seen leaving a party with Matati in the south of Johannesburg. He's back in the dock on the 7th of April for sentencing. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Linda Mnisi at the Johannesburg High Court.